Hi friends, this video shows how to install new apps in Kids Profile. First, let me switch to Kids Profile, select switch accounts, then select this profile, Kids Profile Kid 1. So now I am inside this Kids Profile, and here you can see two apps. So I want to install new apps here. You can select this option, Manage Apps. Then you have to enter Google PIN if this profile is locked, and here you can see list of apps which we can add into that profile. And if you go down here, you can see all apps which already installed in this device, and from this list also we can select the apps and add to the kids profile. For example, so I am going to add this YouTube to kids profile, then allow, done. Let me add one more, Amazon Prime Video app, allow, done. Then go back, see, now you can see those two apps here in this kids profile. So this way we can add new app to kids profile. So first we need to install these apps in device, then we can easily add apps to the kids profile. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.